What's up, Tron holder? This is the latest update of Tron. What's the prediction? We predicate this coin, my friend, and this video to in upcoming time there is a chance to they will move upward or not. Let's check out, my friend, the Tron price prediction. Kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, everyone. My brother, Tron is absolutely one of the massive jump occur coin, my brother. You can see here when they take a jump, exactly they're going like rocket in the moon. But definitely, especially from last 7 days, they fails down very fastly. You can see this time the latest update. So in the last 1 hour chart, they also gonna fails down, my friends. You can see minus 2.94% they fails down. So it's mean, my friend, it's mean to the current time they also fails down, especially from long time jump. You can see a very big jump. After a very big jump they fails down. So let's see, my friend, the last 24-hour chart what's going on. If the total average is going to be negative, so it's mean to they are in the loss. But you can see here, my friend, this time the total average of last 24 hour, you can see here in the last 24 hour 7.4% they moving upwards. So definitely it's mean to they go in the moon, and this is very good change occur now. So Tron is also going the moon in upcoming time. Let's see, don't see this short fails, don't see this short jump, just and only, my friends, hold exactly. Tron is one of the good coin, my friends, for long time investor. Exactly, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, then exactly Tron is one of the best option with you, my brother. So I recommend you to invest in a Tron. Otherwise, this is not a financial video. Please research personally and then, my friends, take a decision. Thanks for watching, TRX holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and absolutely like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.